Okay, so the time I just showed you like 11:40 something. I woke up at 8 today and we went out. We started this like 5K run at 9 with like hundreds of people. It's kind of like one of those mini marathon things. It's not really competitive or anything like that. It happens every Saturday, so it was pretty good. So hopefully we'll be continuing to do it every single time and getting better and better. So yeah, let's rewind. Yeah, so a lot went down last night. Did a lot of filming for videos, so we gotta get this clear and sort of tidy my bedroom. And so I want to do a couple of things in editing and try out some new tricks and effects because I just learned them. And excuse me, a great thing to do when you just learn these effects is to go and sort of try them out for the first time on sort of test clips, and then obviously you saw the vlog intro. Hopefully it's pretty great. And then you can sort of use it in future. Now there's obviously a lot of weird effects that I've used, like the teleportation effect last year. It was something I really liked, but it's not something that's very kind of useful in many videos. It's a trick that it's kind of, yeah, it's fun to know. Anyways, let's start tidying. Right, I just set up my my air duster thing that I got. It's new, so I'm just going to be sort of dusting this stuff and seeing how it goes. I never really used this kind of thing before, but let's see how it goes. I'm going to play some YouTube videos and dust. Some editing, and don't mind this, it's just the thing for the blinds. Anyways, we're gonna go out to town. There's one main thing that I need to do, and that is get my Apple Watch sent in to have the battery replaced. It is the original like Series 0 whatever Apple Watch. Literally we got it once it came out. The battery seems to be just destroyed. It has been for the last several months. We never really took action on it, and it just really helps me when I'm doing exercise and running and workouts and all that kind of jazz. And it's motivational when I want to complete rings, because I hate having unfinished things, so I'm always kind of motivated to complete those rings on the Apple Watch. So I definitely want to get where is it? The watch should be in here. Yep, this is the Apple Watch. And the charging cable, I'll probably bring it along as well, just in case. Is that everything? Any other goodies? It does have my padlock, which I'll take. Aside from that, let's get this bad boy locked. And yeah, I finished season 3 of How to Get Away with Murder. Yeah, I gotta use these earphones and then use the Apple earphones adapter. Where is the adapter gone? Hopefully I didn't throw them in the bloody clothes. I probably did as well. I think I did. Let me go and find the clothes. Hopefully my mother didn't take them. The bathroom. The same track that I wore is still here. Let's see if there is any earphones. Not on this side, which I don't think there would be. What else is there? Yep, on this side. Found the earphones. I keep doing this. I even broke a pair of earphones because of that. Like it went in the washing machine and I forgot to take it out. Oh yeah, just before that, let me close the cupboard. I don't know, I'll dump that in there or something like that a bit later. But, oh yeah, by the way, this is the hoodie that I got from the M&M store in London. Leicester Square, looks pretty cool. Anyways, these earphones are just pure crap. One of the sides doesn't work. They literally always get tangled up. It's like the kind of material that gets even more tangled up. I do have to use an adapter for them to connect to my iPhone 10. The side that does work has half of the bud ripped. I know I can get it changed. I do have a couple of like green ones, probably find a blue one somewhere if I took a lot of time to spend. But really, even when you put it on max audio, you can't hear it that well, and the audio leakage on this is crazy. So let's say I can hear something like, let's say I'm talking like this, you can say, hey, it's AKJK, what is up, what is up? And everyone outside hears, hey, it's AKJK, what is up? Literally, the people on the outside can hear what you're hearing louder than you can hear it, which really pisses me off. So yeah, I'm going to wear these pink earphones. Despite the fact that they are pink and I don't really like pink stuff, you know, the quality of the audio on this would be better. And I really don't have any time to sort of do anything. I'll probably buy some Apple AirPods or some wireless earphones or something. I'm going to go out right now. Let's get this out of its base. I'm pretty sure these, like, my mum bought them ages ago or something. Anyways, whatever, who cares? I have them now. Let's get focused, come on, bro. So, this will get plugged into the adapter. Which one's this is left? Yeah, it does look a bit weird on me. But let's try it out, okay? Gonna play some music. It's already creating this little crackle beat without playing anything already. It's not good. There's something wrong. No, not a solution. We'll dump that away. Can't be using that one. So, pretty much have no earphones. We definitely got to buy something when I go out. Let's go. Okay, my dad just made a quick stop at the GP, so yeah, we're waiting. Alright, I just finished up taking some thumbnails and B-roll for this microphone for the review that, if you're watching this on the day that it came out, this vlog, then the review should have come out earlier today. Anyways, I'm gonna go and make myself some dinner. So let's go. Let's get started. Alright, I know this ain't angled right, but first of all I'm gonna start by finding something to watch while I'm making the food. I also got to keep the kitchen very clean because my mother just tidied it, or cleaned or whatever, and I really don't want to piss her off.